Whenever you read and write the Arabic, you see the letters in half shape because those are connected to the both next and the previous letter. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
all right. See, Alif has only two shapes, one shape and two, because Alif cannot be connected to the next letter in the writing. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
so if Alif appears at the middle of a word, it will still in this shape. Okay,
Okay.
yes. Ba has three shapes. See, and any isolated shape as well. Okay, but
Okay.
if ba is connected to the next letter, so and ba if ba is an initial letter, the beginning of the word, ba will be in this shape. So you recognize by the number and the position of dots, right? Right, the good girl.
Yeah.
So it has one dot at the bottom, so it's ba, and that's the medial shape of ba. Okay, all
Okay.
right. See, one dot at the bottom, and it's connected to the previous letter and the next letter, both the letters, and that's the final shape of ba. Okay, okay, the good
Okay.
girl. So let me ask you, can you tell me that word? These are two letters. So can you tell me both of them, please?
The purple one or blue one is Ali.
Yes. So how do you say them? Ba, alif. Try.
Ba Ali.
MashaAllah. You're so smart.